actually take other clothes off and you get a really okay shower.
Yeah, we just need some shampoo. Let's see on my windshield.
You hear the rain?
Very loud, isn't it? Tree? Yeah, it's a tree. That was a cat, yeah. The plants are getting watered by the rain. Oh, your car's out there, yeah? It's okay, it's getting cleaned. It's okay. Yeah. Daddy will go get it for you.
Haha. Hey Max. Max. What's going on out here? Look how hard it's raining. Do you see how hard it's raining?
Bubbles? You want some bubbles? Sure. Have a quick. Not this baby face. I don't know how to work this thing.
I feel like here, why don't you use this one that's by my foot?
Yeah. I think it doesn't work anymore.
I feel like he's done everything he can to keep his back of his head to me while I shot this video.
Oh, it's going the wrong way.
Max.
They're coming this
That's
way
a ball.
now.
I'll hold that. Sure. Uh-oh, Superstar. Careful.
Oh gosh, those are brand new. Come on. Okay.
There he is.
Good job.
Good
Thank
job,
you.
Bubba.
Mama,
Yeah, those are Mama's.
yeah.
Wow.
Here, can Mama have them? Please, no, don't put them on your belly. Don't put them on your belly. Thank you. I'm so glad Daddy taught you that trick.
What,
Max,
putting him on his
come
belly?
here. Max.
Max! They're all coming this way.
There's the ball.
Uh-oh.
There it went.
Whoa!
I'm standing there shouting at the rain, buddy.